the sun is way up. It's right there. And this is the Ioniq 5. I don't know if I'm gonna go need this one, but it's right here. And we're gonna replace the 12-volt battery. Check this out, guys. 1024. They just replaced it back in October, and the 12-volt battery is bad again. I tested it. I double checked it with Hyundai and says replace the 12-volt battery. All right, let's go do it. Okay, got myself a 10mm. Disconnect the negative battery first and the positive. All right. Yeah, they just replaced it back in October 2024, and then when I tested it, it says battery internal fault condition identified. Replace the battery. Hyundai says go replace it. Yeah. And we got the bracket right here. And here is the battery replacement. Yeah, it does have the same part number right here. Come on. Okay. All right. There you go. Install the positive first. Tag it. Then the negative. We are also replacing the cabin filter. And here is your cabin filter door. Oh yeah, there you have it. It's time. Here's the new one, and here is the part number right here. And this guy is going this way. The airflow arrow is supposed to be pointing down. Nice and easy. Put your lid back. Make sure it's secured. Put the lead. Install this back. There you have it, guys.